Hi folks, I put a video yesterday explaining how I fixed my AC. Could have been easier if I would just bought a belt that was made for a Honda, no AC. So here's a header I put on. See that bolt? We took it out. Called my buddy Damon. He came in with his MIG welder, and this is what he did. Good welder. Anyways, we got it out. Good job. And was pretty lucky. All the other ones, they came out perfectly. So just put it back on. Put the header back on. Reattach the O2 sensor. Go underneath. Hook up to the catalytic converter. Fairly easy job. Hard on the back, lay it on the cement floor. What I did with the old one, I just cut it all up. Took it out, cut it here. Didn't bother trying to save it. All the tools you need. Use the grinder here, hammers, a couple of pairs of pliers. Use whatever you can. Safety goggles, very important. Lights, working at nighttime. Jacks, blocks, so you have room to work under the car. Lots of tools, lots of junk. Well, pretty happy about this. Here, I'm going to start it up. Look at this. Oh, you hear the engine pretty good. Those Hondas here, they just knock. That's how they run. Sounds a lot better. That's it. Now, time to go for a drive.